Hello, primary 4 students. How are you? Welcome in your science class with me, Dr. Shaimaa Hamdy Kassem, and this is your channel, the Big Sister channel. As now we will study lesson 3 from concept 2, unit 1. Activity 7, how the nervous system works. First, we will answer 2 questions to know if you remember this information. So here we have the first one. The nervous system gathers information about what is going inside and outside the body and send information to the blood vessels or brain. Yes, you did it. The nervous system gathers information about what is going inside and outside the body and send information to the brain. Yes, well done. Then we have another question. The nervous system is connected by that transmit messages around the body, muscles or nerves. So the answer is nerves, as we have here the nervous system is connected by nerves that transmit messages around the body. So well done, primary 4 students. So now let's start our lesson. We know that the functions of the nervous system is to gather information through the sensory organs. Sensory organs like what? Yes, like eyes, ears, skin, tongue, and nose. We know that these sensory organs send messages through the nerves to the brain. So here, the nervous system gathers the information through the sensory organs. So after the sensory organs send messages through the nerves to the brain, so the brain translates and makes sense of these messages, understand these messages, okay? And then the brain tells the body what to do, okay? So here, this is the function of the nervous system. It gathers information through the sensory organs, the 5 sensory organs. And then it translates or makes sense of these messages through the brain. So as the brain, we know, the main control center in the body. And then the brain tells the body what to do. As the brain send messages to the body to tell the body what to do, okay? As here we have a situation. What do you hear now? Yes. This is chirping bird, okay? So what happens? The ears pick up sound waves come from a chirping bird. Now the ears only pick up the sound, okay, waves. And then the nerves in the ears send a message to the brain that translate it, okay? So till this, we don't know the sound. We can't know this sound until the brain send a message to the body about what to do, such as the body turns and looks to the bird, okay? This is called a reflex. This message from the brain, okay, to the body that tells the body what to do, this is called the reflex. And you know, it takes less than 1 second. We can't realize that this happens inside our body because this happens in less than 1 second. As you see here, the reflex, as a hand moves quickly when it touches something hot. So what happens in details? As the sensory receptors in the hand, in our skin, send message to the brain through the nerves. So the brain translates these message and send message with the action. with the respond, okay? And this called reflex, as it sends to the hand to move away quickly. So reflexes, this is the messages with the respond or action that's sent by the brain to any part of our body. And this are very fast that we can't realize that this happened, okay? So as moving your hand away when you touch something hot. This happens in very short time. We know this time called the reaction time. So the reaction time is less than 1 second in the reflexes. So don't mess between the reflexes and reaction time. Reflexes is the message from the brain with the action or respond. And the reaction time for these to happen is less than 1 second. There are some reflexes that happens automatically. Like what? Like breathing. Breathing is an example for reflexes that sent from and to the brain automatically all the time, okay? So the signals to breathe are messages that send from and to the brain automatically, okay? Inside our bodies. We have activity 8, describing the nervous system. To describe the nervous system, we have 3 steps. First, the sensory organs, the 5 sensory organs, sense the environment. And then, the brain process the information and decide the best action. Then, the nerves send messages to the body parts by nerves to react with this information. And we know that these messages to the body parts by the nerves to react or respond with this information, this is called reflex. And this process takes a very short time that we can't realize that this happened in our bodies. With this information, we finished our lesson. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, inshallah, and goodbye.